Connecting multiple strands of pre-lit garland without extra electrical cords is a definite game changer for holiday decorating. Today I'm going to show you how to achieve a cohesive and clean look with the connectable pre-lit garlands from RAZ Imports. Each garland includes an adapter so that up to 3 garlands can be connected without the messy appearance of electrical cords. You can choose connectable garlands with LED snake lights or LED fairy lights, which both give off a warm white glow. These garlands can be strung together on a staircase or a mantle, and the snake light garlands can easily be powered on and off with the included remote. Both connectable garlands feature 8 functions and an 8-hour timer that repeats every 16 hours. Creating a cheerful and stylish home for the holidays is easy with RAZ Imports. For more design tips, go to razimports.com.